Hello everyone, welcome back to 60 Thoughts. In this video lecture, we will discuss one of the interesting real life applications, that is amazing probability results of defective screws in manufacturing company. Let us consider the given statement. A machine manufacturing screws is known to produce 5% defective in a random sample of 15 screws. What is the probability that there are exactly 3 defectives and second one is not more than 3 defectives? So what is given? So the given statement is what? So n value is given, right? So what is mean by n value? N is nothing but total number of random sample. Okay, so total number of what? Random sample, that is equal to what? How many samples they given? Screws, right? So n value is 15, and also they given, right, defective term, right? So how many percentage defective? Only 5%. So let us consider p equal to what? The probability that a screw, what, a screw is defectives. Okay, so what about q is non-defectives? Okay, how many percentage they given? 5%, right? So we can write this 5 by 100, right? So next to 1 q, what is q? The probability that a screw is non-defective, that means what? That is equal to 1 minus of p. Okay, so we know 1 minus, what is p value? 5 by 100. If we simplify this, we get what? 100 minus 5, 95 by. So we know result, right? So number of defective plus number of non-defective equal to what? 1. So we know plus q equal to 1. Otherwise it is called number of success plus number of failures equal to 1, right? So p value is 5 by 100 plus q value is 95 by 100. If we add these two, we get 1, right? So therefore p value and q values are correct. So we know that binomial distribution, right? So what is binomial distribution? Binomial distribution of the given parameter n comma p is defined by what? Probability of capital X equal to small x, that is equal to ncx p power x q power n minus x. X varies from what? X equal to 0, 2, 3, etc. Last value is n. Okay, this is nothing but binomial formula, right? So we know n value. What is n value? N is nothing but 15, right? So 15 c x. What is p value? P value is 5% defective, so 5 by 100 power x. What is q value? 55% is what? Good conditions, that is into 15 minus what? X. That is from what? 0, 1, etc. Last value is what? 15. So this is called your probability of function value. Okay, this is equation number 1. So what is our first question? First question, we are going to find what? Probability of exactly 3 defective, right? So we are going to find a probability of what? Exactly 3 defectives. 3 defectives. How to write mathematical notation? Probability of what? Capital X equal to 3. What is the meaning of capital X? Capital X is denote the number of defectives. Okay, so substitute equation number 1. So we can write what? From equation 1 can be written as 15 into c, small x value is 3, right? Into 5 by 100 power 3 into what? 95 by 100. 15 minus, you get 12. Okay, if you simplify this, we get a final answer, right? How to simplify this? This is NCR formula. N factorial by R factorial into n minus R factorial. N value 15, R value is 3. Okay, so using calculator, if you simplify this, final answer is 0.0307. Okay, this is first question. What is second question? Second question, they asked what? Probability of what? Not more than x3 defective. Okay, probability of not more than what? 3. So 3, not more than 3 defectives means what? Maximum is 3. So right. So we can write this, that is equal to what? Probability of capital X less than or equal. So maximum value is 3. Minimum is what? Either 0 or 1 or 2, otherwise 3. So we can, how to find this value? adding x is 0, 0 plus 1 plus 2 and 3. If you add 0 plus 2 plus 3 of probability mass function, we get final answer. So what is another method? We can write this 1 minus probability of x greater than 3. X greater than 3 means what? We take values from 4, 5, 6 up to 15. Okay, it is length process. So that I am going to write the probability of what? X equal to 0, probability of x equal to 1, probability of x equal to 2 plus probability of x equal to 3. Okay, adding these four values, we get final answer. Coming to first one, substitute x equal to 0 in equation number 1. So we get 50 0, 5 by 100 power 0, 95 by 100 power 0 plus substitute x equal to 1. 15C1, 5 by 100 power 1, 95 by 100 power what? 15 minus, sorry, this is not a 0, this is 15. 15 minus 0 now, 15. 15 minus 1, so we get 14. Plus, what is third one? Third one, 15C2, 5 by 2, 5 by 100 to 95 by 100, 15 minus 2, you get what? 13. Plus, last one is 15C4, 5 by 100 power 4, sorry, 100 power 3, this is 3. Okay, so 50. Okay, so this is power 3 into what? 95 by 100 into power 12. Okay, if you simplify this, so using calculator, simplify four values, we get final answer is what? 0.994. So this is nothing but what? Probability of x less than or equal to 3. Okay, that means probability of not more than 3 defectives. Okay, this here, this is called what? Probability of x equal to 3. That is equal to what? 0.0307. This is called what? Probability of exactly 3 defectives. Okay, so I hope you are enjoying the session. Thank you.